Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you the solution if your JBL Wave Flex earbuds are not pairing and what you can actually do about it. So the first thing that is like really important is that if you can access the app, because in the app and you can pair them, you would go to the support and here you would have reset the factory settings and you can reset them. If you can't do it, the first thing that you want to do, if you paired it before, unpair them. So go to top right to the settings, go to connections, go to Bluetooth, and then you're going to have the Wave Flex here, and you're going to have on the bottom right, you're going to have unpair. So first unpair them. If you are going to unpair them, then what you want to do is pretty simply put them back to the case. Okay, so you're going to put them back in the case, and we are going to do a factory reset for them in the case. So take them out both. Okay, first I'm going to tell you what we are going to do, okay? So we're going to take them out. We are going to press the multifunction touch button 2 times, and then we are going to, on the third time, hold it for about 5 seconds. So press the malfunction button 2 times, and then we're going to hold it for about 5 seconds. So we're going to take them out. Now we're going to press it 2 times, and on the third time, we're going to hold it. Now what will happen is that it's going to change the blinking. Did you see that it changed a little bit? So you can even try it one more time. And I encourage you to try it multiple times to see if it's going to work out for you. And possibly this is going to be the solution for you. Now we're going to put them back to the case. And then we're going to close it. So this is something that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to work out for you. So let me know down below in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.